Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be installing brand new grills on my BMW F10 535i. That's right, brand new grills on the F10. I know y'all know that these grills are aftermarket, of course. This is like my second or third set of grills, only for the fact that I couldn't get one that actually worked and fit well. However, these are great. I absolutely love them. They fit really well. Well, they fit fine, I guess. You can see that they don't fit perfectly there, but I mean, they fit fine. They're good. But now that I'm starting to go a little bit more aggressive, a little bit darker, you can see, of course, with the wheels and everything, the diffuser, the spoiler right there and everything, it's just becoming a little bit slightly out of place, I think. I think it still looks good, but it could look better. And obviously that would mean going, yeah, the usual. It's a little bit cliche, I guess, but I got the black grills, the all black grills. I know everybody has the all black grills, but probably for a reason. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out the grills that I got. So these are the grills. I got them on Amazon. They were around like $30-ish, 35 bucks. Pretty good reviews, so I hope they actually fit better than the ones that I have right now. Let's go ahead and take this one out. Go ahead and remove it. Yeah, look at that. These are obviously the all black ones, the ones that pretty much most people get, and it's all right. You know, I think it's gonna look pretty cool with my car, you know, going the somewhat all black look on the dark blue. I absolutely love the combination. So these look really well made. I'm gonna be honest, these look like they fit pretty well, because the ones that I have on right now kind of flimsy and the clips are kind of, you know, in the wrong spots and stuff, but these look like they fit a lot better. So I guess honestly the only thing to do is, it's pretty simple: remove the old ones, put these ones on. All right, they're off. They look pretty good. I mean, you can see, like I'm saying, the clips here, the clip here broke, you know, the clips are kind of flimsy and stuff, but the new ones seem a lot more solid. What I'm gonna do now, which is completely optional, is I'm just gonna, you know, clean this area, wipe it out, and then, you know, just to get it clean for peace of mind. All right, time for the new grills. Let's see them. Wow, really nice and glossy. Absolutely love it. Let's see how they fit. Wow, they actually clicked into place. That's already significantly better than these. I just gotta say, I am so seriously impressed with how well these went in. They just clicked into place and they are actually sitting flush the way they should be, like the stock ones. These did not sit flush. They were always kind of loose, but these are in. Now I guess I just gotta see what the car looks like with them on. Haven't seen them yet, let's do it. All right, I'd say this looks pretty cool. Obviously it's gonna take some time to get used to, same thing with the wheels, because every time I look at it right now, it's a little off-putting, only because I'm still expecting these, which, by the way, these look great. There's nothing wrong with these. They look fantastic. It's just I'm going for like the darker look now, but wow. I mean, wow. Like, I absolutely love how this looks. I love the all black here in the front. We're starting to get darker on the side and of course on the rear as well. Now, this car, seriously, is coming together very, very nicely. No. But, I mean, other than that, there's not much to say. They're just grills, you know, you put them on and that's it. That's it. Here's another look. Absolutely love it. But other than that, there's really not much else to say, like I said. That's about it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when the next few videos about this car, the Mini, and the M4 all drop, because there's a lot more content coming in the future. But like I said, other than that, there's not much else. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.